Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your brain when you practice Vipassana meditation? Is it just about sitting silently? Or is there something much deeper going on? Science now confirms Vipassana doesn't just relax you, it can actually rewire your brain. Let's explore how. Vipassana means seeing things as they really are. It's one of the oldest forms of meditation, taught by the Buddha over 2,500 years ago. But this practice isn't about chanting or visualizing. It's about pure observation. Watching your breath, your body, your sensations, without judgment. Just awareness, moment to moment. And that simple act of watching? It's powerful. Because over time, it transforms your brain. Let's start with neuroplasticity. Neuroscience shows that regular meditation can physically change the structure of your brain. In Vipassana, parts of the brain linked to awareness and emotion become stronger. For example, the prefrontal cortex grows thicker. This part helps you stay focused and make better decisions. The insula, which helps you feel body sensations and emotions, becomes more active. And the anterior cingulate cortex, or ACC, helps manage attention and reduce mental distractions. In short, Vipassana strengthens the circuits that help you stay calm, clear, and present. Now, let's talk about the default mode network, or DMN. This network in the brain is active when your mind is wandering, thinking about the past, worrying about the future, overthinking. Too much DMN activity is linked to anxiety, stress, and even depression. But during Vipassana, the DMN becomes quiet. Instead, the brain shifts to a state of focused presence. You become less trapped in thought and more rooted in the now. Vipassana also affects the amygdala, the part of your brain linked to fear and emotion. In people who meditate regularly, the amygdala becomes less reactive. This means, when something stressful happens, you don't overreact as easily. Instead, your brain responds more wisely. Over time, Vipassana trains you to observe emotions without being controlled by them. That's emotional freedom. Another powerful change? Vipassana boosts gamma brainwaves. These waves are linked to deep awareness, learning, and insight. Studies show that advanced meditators generate high levels of gamma activity, especially in parts of the brain related to senses and perception. This suggests a sharper, more awakened state of mind. You don't just feel calmer, you actually become more conscious. And it's not just mental. Vipassana also reduces pain and stress. When you observe sensations without reacting, pain becomes easier to manage. Your brain starts responding differently to discomfort. One study showed that meditators experienced 40% less emotional pain and 25% less physical pain, just through awareness. And the stress hormone cortisol? It drops too. All of this, without needing a pill. Just awareness. So, what really happens in your brain during Vipassana? Your attention sharpens. Your emotions calm down. Your mind becomes clearer. And your brain begins to change, in a way that supports peace, presence, and healing. Vipassana is not just spiritual. It's deeply scientific. And the best part? You don't need to believe anything. Just sit, observe, and let awareness do the work. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, have you tried Vipassana? Or are you planning to? And remember, sometimes the most powerful transformation happens in stillness. See you in the next video.